Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we'll learn how to install Java JDK 17 on Windows 10 machine. So let's start. If you're new to my channel, subscribe the channel and like the video. So open your browser and type here JDK. From the first link from Oracle, click on Java downloads. From here, we have available versions of JDK, JDK 21, JDK 17. I already created a video on JDK 21, so I am creating video now on uh, JDK 17. So from here, I am on Windows machine, so I'll go to Windows, and from here I will download the MSI version. So the downloading is start. So it will take time according to your internet speed. For the time saving purpose, I already downloaded the JDK 17. So let's stop it and open the downloaded version. So let's run the JDK 17 setup. Now this wizard will appear. Click on next. So the default location of the setup to install is C program files Java JDK 17. So I'll use the default. If you want to customize it, you can click on change and select your directory you want. So it will take a little time to install. So a pop-up will appear. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on yes. So if you want to read documentation and notes related to Java JDK or Java, you can click on next steps. So I don't need that, so I'll click on close. So let's open command prompts AMD. Let's type here Java dash dash version. So you can see our Java 17.0.8 is installed on our system. So the latest update is 23.7.18. So after that, we have to add Java to our environment variables. For that, we have to go to your cdisk program files, and from here Java and JDK 17. Click on bin and copy that and search here environment. Click on here environment variables. So first we'll add into path, and from here click on new and add here and click on OK. So after that, we have to set Java home. Type Java dash home in capital. Make sure it is in capital, and paste your path here and just remove bin from here and click OK. So after that, what we have to do, we'll add Java home into our path. So for that, what we'll do, percentage Java dash home percentage slash bin and click on OK. Click on OK and OK. So we have set our paths. So let's write a hello world program. What we have to do, we'll create a document. I'm using Notepad. Hello world dot Java. So let's open CMD here. CMD. So we'll compile. First, we'll add the code of hello world in this. Let's open with Notepad. Children codes. I'll just copy and paste here. I'll drop this in the description so you can use that if you want, or you can type according to your need. So I'll just save that. And for here, Java C and hello world and press enter. So it will generate a class file if it executes successfully, and if there is any issue, it will appear here. So let's run our code. Java hello world. Just remove the class from here and press enter. So you can see Java have run our program is executed successfully. So if you have any curious question, feel free to comment below, subscribe the channel, and like the video. I have uploaded the NetBeans installation video, or you can follow that according after this one if you need that. Good luck, guys. If you're curious question, feel free to comment below.